Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Developer. Welcome to the continuous series of the Spring Boot application. In my last video, I have shown you that how we can configure the message source or a message configuration done for the i18 in the Spring Boot application. So we will continue on this for the i18 configuration for our project. So in my last video we have done the configuration for the service message, means whatever the messages from the REST APIs for the service layer, it was configured. Now we will configure the same scenario for suppose you are sending some validation message and you want to internationalize them, and also the error code you want to internationalize as per your validation error. So similarly for the last as a service message bean was there, just copy that and create another bean for validation message. Give the name as validation message here and then change it here also. After that, change the object name and just replace it. And change the base name of that because it was for the service message, and now we want to configure for the validation message. Then the validation message is the name of properties file where we are managing the validation messages. So it is done, and after that we will be going for the error code. So just copy the same and create another bean for error message or error code. You can give any name as you like. I am giving here error code, and here also instead of validation message source I am giving it as a error code source. Just copy the same and replace it with the validation message source. And similarly the base name will be error code because the properties file for having the error code is named as error code. So now the configuration for the message our i18 has been done here. Means we have created just the bean which will handle the i18 or handle the messages from their properties file. Now we will move to the message service implementation. Here we have already created the message service implementation in which we have implemented the method for the message service interface, that is generating the service message, generating validation message, and generating the error code. So we will using to actually internationalize, we must use the message source, that is the interface which contains the method for handling the i18 standards. So we have in our message config the customized Spring Bean or customized bean for the message source as per a different properties file. So we will configure it here and we will auto the object. Then it means the private. One second guys. Sorry for interruption guys. Let's continue. We were just creating the message configuration here, and the message configuration was created. We are just using the beans which we have created. So let's give a bean name, that is a type of bean will be the message source. Message message source, and the bean name will be the service message that we have defined, our custom bean at the rate auto-wired, and we will use the qualifier here. Qualifier will be used because of using the same name bean while auto-wiring it, as we have mentioned it here in the configuration class, that is the bean name. So bean name is the same service message, and similarly we will create or auto-wire the bean for validation message and error code also. So I have given the name here as the validation message, this and this to be here, and after that the error code will be there, and this will be changed for qualifier. So in this we will now use, as this method is for handling the service message, so the service message source will be used here. Service message dot get message with a code will be the message code that we will pass, and the argument will be the objects array, and the locale will be the locale context holder dot get locale. The locale context holder is I am using here because we will customize that whenever we change the locale in the parameter, it will be changed automatically. So instead of having the hard code locale here, we are using that locale context holder. Means from the context or locale context we will get the locale. I will explain you it in a detail and with the example while running the application. So don't worry about that, just follow the process. So here for generating the validation message, we will be using the validation message, that is the message source dot get message. Here we will pass the message code, the arguments will be the objects array, and similarly the locale will be the same, locale context holder dot get locale. And for having the error code, we will use the error code message configuration message source dot get message. It will be conflicted, this dot error code dot get message, and in message the error code will be passed, object array will be null as we do not require any dynamic parameter in this, and the locale will be the same, locale context holder dot get locale. So here we have just used the our custom message source bean, and using the custom message source bean methods of interface, that is the get method, will as per requirement of having the service message, validation message, and error message or error code. After that we will work on registering this message configuration or handling the context locale in our next video. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Bye for now, and kindly subscribe my channel if you are new, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.